Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the second video of DNA replication. Here you follow that one stand 5 to 3 prime reaction is this 5 to 3 prime reaction is one stand, and 3 to 5 prime reaction is another strand. So you follow that DNA polymerase causes polymerization. This is here one strand is parent. This one is parent strand, and red color is newly synthesized strand. So replication occurring from 5 to 3 prime, and parent DNA is 3 to 5 prime. This one is parent DNA is direction is 3 to 5 prime, and newly synthesized DNA or daughter DNA is 5 to 3 prime direction. Here you follow one is newly synthesized strand, another is leading strand. So this newly synthesized strand is done by DNA polymerase. Actually, this one is DNA polymerase 3. Here one strand, here this strand is separated by single stranded binding protein. This strand also separated by single stranded binding protein. That's why these two strands cannot reunite with each other. And helicase continuously unwinding. This is the twisting form of DNA. This helicase causes unwinding the strand, and ultimately during unwinding this hydrogen bond separated, and ultimately this is double strand separate from each other. Now what about the lagging strand? This one is lagging strand. Lagging strand reaction also is 5 to newly synthesis is 5 to 3 prime direction, and parent DNA is 3 to 5 prime direction. Here this one is lagging strand. It is the template or parent DNA direction is 3 to 5, and newly synthesized is 5 to 3 prime direction. Now you follow here this primer come to the site of replication, and this detect or recognize the site of replication is nucleotide base. We know nucleotide RNA primer is 10 nucleotide base strand. This RNA primer come to this site and bind with the site of replication. Then DNA polymerase 3 come here and causes polymerization. Suppose up to this polymerization occur, then here also start simultaneously. Here also start simultaneously. Here we know in the leading strand at upside leading strand, in the leading strand polymerization continuously done, but here in the lagging strand polymerization cannot be done continuously. Rather it is fragment replication occurring. Here some nucleotide base are replicated. Here some nucleotide base replicated. Here you follow, here some gap present. This gap is filled up or replicated by DNA polymerase 1. Then few gap present or little gap present here after filling by DNA polymerase 1. DNA polymerase 1 fill the gap, large gap in between the fragment, but after completing filling by DNA polymerase 1, there is some space, and this space is called nick. Nick is sealed by DNA polymerase 1. I will discuss in the next time, inshallah. Now you see this fragment segment is called Wakazaki fragment. This one is Okazaki fragment. Okazaki fragment actually except the RNA primer. This yellow color fragment is Okazaki fragment, but RNA primer not included the Okazaki fragment. Okazaki fragment up to this, but not RNA primer. RNA primer not a part of Okazaki fragment. RNA primer is synthesized by primase. This one is enzyme. You follow this picture. On number one is RNA primer elongated by DNA polymerase 3. Actually, DNA polymerase 3 causes here polymerization. This strand is polymerization continuously. Here, two number. Number two, RNA primer is excised by DNA polymerase DNA polymerase on here. DNA polymerase on acts here and causes filling the gap. Here you follow, gap is filled by DNA polymerase 1. This gap is filled by DNA polymerase 1. After filling the gap, this space may be present. This is called nick. This remaining, you follow, remaining nick is sealed by DNA ligase. Remaining nick, it means some space present and filled by or sealed by DNA ligase enzyme. You see the whole picture, how this is the leading strand, this is the lagging strand. This is RNA primer. This RNA primer not part of Okazaki fragment. This part not a part of Okazaki fragment. Rather, this yellow color part is part of Okazaki fragment. This space is filled by DNA polymerase 1, and some space present, it is called nick. This is sealed by DNA ligase, and this DNA helicase continuously unwinding the unwinding the double strand. You follow that there is twisting form of DNA. Double strand DNA is twisting form. Helicase continuously separate the strand by unwinding, but during this procedure there is twisting is more. So after super coiling, and twisting, super twisting, helicase cannot overcome this problem. Helicase cannot unwind the DNA segment, or DNA strand. Cannot unwind the DNA strand when supercoiling is formed. At that time, topoisomerase 1, topoisomerase 2, these enzymes come to the site and causes cutting of the one strand or two strand. When needed one strand, it cut one strand. Then unwind the strand, double strand. When needed cutting of the two strand, it causes cutting of the two strand. And after cutting, the helicase causes unwinding, and after unwinding or untwisting, this topoisomerase 1 and topoisomerase 2 can heal or can seal the strand again. Suppose there is gap. This strand is cut by topoisomerase 1. After cutting, topoisomerase 1, topoisomerase 2 can again seal the cutting strand, reunite the cutting strand. So topoisomerase has two domain. One is cutting domain and another is sealing domain. By one domain, it can cut the one strand or double strand, and by another domain, it can seal the cutting strand. Either one strand is cut, is sealed by another domain. Both strand is cut by one domain, and that strand, double strand, can be sealed by another sealing domain. Topoisomerase has two domain: cutting domain and sealing domain. After cutting, it can also seal the cutting strand. And after cutting, helicase can easily unwind the strand. Thank you.